Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Well, just I made you write down all the word meanings and idioms too. So let me explain to you one by one, please, guys. First of all, let me explain, the popping out and popping in. Yesterday, I taught you popping out, popping in. Popping out, popping in means that the short period when you go and come back. When you go and come back, that means I'm popping out my friend's house. I'm popping in my uncle's house, whatever that. So popping out and popping in for a short period. You got it? Popping out, popping in. And I will slip on it. I will slip on exactly means what? Means the delay the process. Delay the process. Means delay the process. Right? So I will slip on. I will slip on it in a sentence also and idiom too also that. A sentence that means I slip on the floor. You were saying that it's a sentence, but if you say that I will slip on it. You are talking about means as an idiom that. As an idiom means delay the process. I will slip on it. Next is that means that means freedom and freeganism. Freedom exactly means a person who doesn't want to spend money on it. He wants to get the free of cost. And he actually gets, he wants to eat discarded food. When the food is not good quality, but that means wastage. And he wants to, means actually eat this food. So this is a freedom. Next word is that? Can you continue to answer, please? That's a companion. So a companion exactly means that short, concise. All things like companion file also, the government office also you can see that companion. And the cold shoulder. The cold shoulder exactly means what? Ignoring the things. The cold shoulder. When someone loses the bar, so people start ignoring that means a cold shoulder. You got it? Here we go. Next is suit yourself. What is that? Suit yourself. Suit yourself exactly means that do what you want. So help yourself and suit yourself exactly the same meaning. Do what you want. And the third is that apply yourself. And apply yourself also means put your efforts. When you make full efforts, you have to apply yourself to pass in the civil services. That's talking about. So it's apply yourself. Next is also very important. Sorry? Desassicate. Desassicate means dryer. What is that? Dryer. Desassicate, dryer. Okay, next is?
Between been and had.
Sorry? Excuse me? Between that for difference between been and had. Been we use I have been to US. Means I went and come back. You went there and returned. That means I've been to US. I've been to US. Or if you say that I have gone to US, you haven't returned yet. That difference between been and that means have gone and been. Clear?
Yes.
And the last thing I want to actually explain to you a very important thing. Yesterday that I gave you 30 minutes, could you repeat the yesterday one by one, please? One by one, please. One by one, please.
Relinquish.
Relinquish. Relinquish means like give up. Relinquish is property and all, in the sense we can use it. Next is?
Reservation.
Reservation is simple one. The next one.
Fished out.
Fished out. Very nice word that. Fished out. Fished out means, if someone died actually, and you want to take out a dead body actually in river, and you want to fish out. You want to take out the river. That's means fished out. And fishing means catching. Fishing is catching. One spelling is P-H-I-S. Fishing. That fishing actually means like same the netting and catching. And one is fooming. Fooming means when you want getting some personal life. When you're getting some personal life, it's a fooming actually. Okay. Next is always clear. That's right. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening. This video, subscribe and like my video, please. I request you, my friends, those who are watching my video, and it means that Barry sir teaching you all the things American teach you, and with American accent, no with American accent, with Indian accent, but really I do teach American accent too. So please subscribe and like my video too. Thank you. Thanks for having me. Thank you.